Have a job offer and I did the job data entry. 6 month agreement. Now they are saying that you have to pay money. Your work is not up to 85%. You should have to pay money. If you are paying, not paying, we will file a case on you. They are saying, sir. Many people join data entry, form filling, captcha filling. After that, they sign the agreement. In if even if they complete, they will say accuracy is not there. Even if in between you left out the job, they will demand the money on the name of registration, cancellation, agreement fees, penalty fees. Otherwise, they will tell legal notice will be sent it to your given address, police case will be filed, you have to come to the court, you have to hire a lawyer, your complete career will going to be spoiled. In lakhs of rupee you have to pay court. So in case you have also received any legal notice, message, mail from any lawyer, advocate, associate, and they are threatening you, telling you that you have to pay, you have done a breach of contract, you have to pay a cancellation charge, otherwise case will be filed to your house, police will come, and you have to come to the court. On arrest warrant will also be going to be issued against your parents. So any threatening message, call, notice you also receive, just WhatsApp us so that we can help you, so that you don't have to worry about paying any money to them or getting any legal notice to your address or going to any court or police station or facing any legal issue. Complete solution in this matter will be provided to you. So please don't pay them, please don't get afraid, we are here to help you. Please like the video, share it, and subscribe our channel for any sort of legal help, whether it's a family, civil, criminal, or cyber fraud. We are there to help you.